today, Mr. Locust. Not today. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. So this is where I left off at on the last episode. If you missed episode number 1, I'll put a link in the description because it's really good. I got some cool drone footage. I got some cool boom footage. Right here, I started. My beach is all graded out currently, and now I'm going to continue and I'm going to clear the entire back of this pond dam on today's episode. So thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing. So let's get into the next episode and get the this whole pond dam cleared on the back side. Alright, it's cleaning up this edge here. This is a non-beach area, but grading it out to where we could mow it. Maybe plant some grass here. Pretty mushy right in there. Hopefully over here where my beach is going to go in, it won't be that mushy. Pushing on the bottom right there. You know, just getting out as far as I can anyways. Get in there a little farther though. Felt a big rock there. Way out in the water, I hit a firm spot here. That's good. Oh man. Oh no, now I'm stuck. Hit a steep spot behind me. Man, my tracks got clay in them now, that's why I can't go nowhere. That's why I can't go nowhere. Packed with clay. It's a shame, I was making good progress. There we go. Alright, I'll keep grading it out. Almost done.
Miller glass.
Forgot my soybean plot here. That a lot of that grass is dead, so I don't want to make a burn pile on burned up grass. So I'm putting it over here, at least where the grass is green. tree right here trying to bust through. Not today. Just like on Buzz Lightyear. Not today. I'm down towards the bend in the pond dam, and this is all one big vine intertwined with briars and stuff in here, but making good progress. Alright, winding down for today. Just gonna clean up my mess, and I'll show you where I'm finishing off at. Pretty good burn pile now. We'll catch you on the bonfire. Man. Alright, here's a look after my second stint on the excavator. I made it all the way to the pond bend over there. Pond looks way bigger now. It looks really cool. And all the way down to that end. I think I'm going to plant this whole pond dam in a food plot mix, because we love seeing deer from the house, and until I get stuff going in the back of the house, this is kind of an easy one. I need to do something with it. So once I get it cleaned and burned, I'll probably throw a fall blend mix on this whole pond dam. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, it's hot out. My AC is kind of blowing lukewarm right now. 95 I think today, and hot and humid. Rough grade on it. Not bad, looking good. Progress, big progress, a little bit at a time. All right, so this is where I left off after day 2. The beach is all graded out it's on the right there. Currently I got 2 loads of sand in already, and the beach kind of graded out, so stay tuned for the next episode, but been making some real good progress. I'm hoping to torch these piles here before too long. So have a great evening. Thanks for joining us. Take care.